Have you ever wondered if we're on the brink of curing diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries? Imagine a world where genetic disorders are eradicated, personalized medicine is a reality, and biotechnology transforms the way we heal and live. How close are we to this future? And what groundbreaking innovations are shaping it right now? As the interaction between these sectors continues to develop, the implications for human health and well-being are enormous. These implications extend into fields such as gene therapy, synthetic biology, regenerative medicine, and even further afield. Personalized medicine, a new paradigm in the medical field. The development of customized medicine is among the most important changes that have been brought about by the combination of biotechnology and genetic engineering. Traditional medical approaches frequently use a one-size-fits-all paradigm, which can result in varying outcomes for patients receiving treatment. The practice of personalized medicine, on the other hand, involves tailoring medical care to an individual based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. The field of pharmacogenomics. One subject of personalized medicine is called pharmacogenomics, and its primary objective is to investigate how the genetic makeup of an individual affects how they react to certain medications. Through the application of this innovation, the treatment of problems such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and mental health disorders will be revolutionized. The goal of this innovation is to maximize the effectiveness of drugs while limiting their harmful effects. As an illustration, the efficiency of customizing treatments to genetic profiles is demonstrated by targeted medicines for tumors that are driven by specific mutations, such as breast cancer that is HER2 positive. The potential of gene therapy as a treatment at the molecular level. One of the most innovative applications of genetic engineering is gene therapy, which has the potential to treat or perhaps cure diseases by targeting the underlying cause of the illness. The underlying genetic flaws that are responsible for disease can be addressed by gene therapy. This is accomplished by introducing, deleting, or changing genetic material within the cells of a patient. Disorders that are caused by a single gene. When it comes to gene therapy, the most promising candidates are monogenic illnesses, which are caused by abnormalities in a single gene. The potential to treat illnesses such as spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, and Leber's congenital amaurosis, which is a rare form of inherited blindness, has been established through successful clinical trials with the use of this treatment. In situations like this, the introduction of functional copies of genes that are faulty has demonstrated extraordinary effectiveness. Repairing the unreparable through the practice of regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a subspecialty of medicine that focuses on repairing or replacing damaged organs and tissues. Biotechnology and genetic engineering are significant components of this area. This transformation is being driven by a number of innovative techniques, including tissue engineering, stem cell therapy, and three-dimensional bioprinting. Therapies based on stem cells. As a result of their ability to differentiate into a wide variety of cell types, stem cells present a tremendous opportunity for the treatment of diseases and injuries. Stem cell therapies are intended to restore normal function by replacing damaged cells with healthy ones in the treatment of illnesses such as Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, and type 1 diabetes. Tissue engineering and organ replacement. The use of biotechnology in tissue engineering and three-dimensional bioprinting allows for the creation of lab-grown organs and tissues. These technological advancements have the potential to alleviate the worldwide shortage of organ donors and to reduce the number of people who reject transplants. Further improvements in the viability of synthetic tissues for clinical use are being made possible by developments in biocompatible materials and scaffold architecture. Vaccines and antiviral treatments are both available. The development of mRNA vaccines for COVID-19 was a significant contribution made by synthetic biology, which demonstrates the field's potential to rapidly solve emergency situations involving global health. It is now possible for scientists to develop vaccinations against newly developing infections in a more efficient manner than ever before, because to the engineering of genetic instructions. Considerations regarding ethical and societal issues. There are substantial ethical, legal, and social concerns that are raised by biotechnology and genetic engineering, despite the fact that the potential benefits of these technologies are enormous. Issues pertaining to accessibility, equity, and the possibility of misuse are included in this category. Accessibility and equity in the workplace. It is possible that the high expense of new therapies would restrict access to these advances, which will further exacerbate the existing disparities in healthcare. When it comes to obtaining the full social advantage of biotechnological developments, it is essential to ensure that they are distributed in an equal manner. The future. Innovations and directions for the future. A plethora of fascinating opportunities await the field of medicine in the years to come, thanks to advances in biotechnology and genetic engineering. A number of emerging trends and study fields point in the direction of applications that are even more transformational. Therapies based on epigenetics. The study of how environmental influences influence gene expression without modifying the DNA sequence is a discipline that is experiencing rapid growth. Epigenetics is the study of this phenomenon. The goal of epigenetic therapies is to reprogram the expression of genes in order to treat ailments such as cancer, autoimmune diseases, and metabolic disorders. Engineering of the microbiome. There is a significant connection between the human microbiome, which is the collection of microbes that are found in and on our bodies, and both health and sickness. By altering the communities of microorganisms, recent developments in the field of microbiome engineering are paving the way for novel approaches to the treatment of a wide range of illnesses, including mental health concerns and gastrointestinal disorders. The role of artificial intelligence and big data in biotechnology. In the field of biotechnology, artificial intelligence and big data analytics are rapidly becoming technologies that are crucial. The use of these technologies makes it possible to analyze enormous data sets in order to recognize trends, make predictions about outcomes, and speed up the process of discovering novel treatments. If you're excited to explore more groundbreaking innovations and stay updated on the future of science and technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join us on this journey of discovery.